Examination in chief takes the form of telling a story. So you're supposed to lead your witness to tell their story. Let's say that you were in either civil or criminal trial. You start with the WH questions. That is who, what, where. Who are you? What do you do for a living? Where do you live? Those are the questions that you open with before you begin to guide your witness to tell the story. So for instance, I have a witness here, so I'm going to ask her the 3 WH questions and she's going to answer. So we have started. What we want to do now is examination in chief. So for please stand. I have my claimant witness 1, that's CW1. I am the claimant in this case. So I'm going to start. She's my witness. So I'm going to start to elicit information from her by the 3 WH questions. So witness, tell this honorable court your name.
My name is Precious Babalola.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an entrepreneur. I sell footwears.
Where do you live?
I live at number 5, Peace Close, Aja, Lagos.
Good. So those are the 3 WH questions. For instance, this is a wrongful dismissal case. You ask a question that will then begin to cause the witness to tell the story of how everything happened that brought them to court. So you can say something like, cast your mind back to the 10th day of January 2020. Do you remember what happened on that day?
Yes.
Can you tell this honorable court what happened on that day?
Yes, I can.
Please proceed. So now you can go. That is how to cross-examine your witness, okay? You first ask the 3 WH questions and then you ask a question that would link them to the story of how they came to court and what happened that brought them to court. So that's how to do it, okay? So that's examination in chief. Now note that your main aim is to elicit stories, information from your witness. So it's more like you're guiding them. Don't allow your witness to go on a frolic of their own. They cannot tell all the story in the world because the court does not have all the time in the world. So guide them so that they stay within the precincts of what you filed or front-loaded. There are a few things to note or caution yourself about an examination in chief as a witness or as a lawyer. And one is that you cannot ask leading questions. In examination in chief, you cannot ask leading questions. Leading questions are questions that suggest their own answers.